Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video we're going to be giving more sticker swap shoutouts and adding more stickers to the sticker swap sticker wall. I've got a lot more stickers in since the holidays and they continue to come in, and I'm extremely happy for that and filling up the sticker wall. So let's start giving shoutouts. Going to start out with Piston Face. Next we have Harden Wood Designs, established 2019, and I really like the Tree of Life there in the logo. Ben's Wood Burning. Uncommon Outposts, an amazing and talented lady. .107.5 KZL, the #1 hit music station. Gear Wrench Tools, they sent me a sticker package with a variety of stickers, and the one that I will be adding to the wall is this one right here, Gear Wrench Forge Ahead. And they also sent this amazing bumper sticker, No You Can't Borrow My Tools. And that might end up on the tailgate of the truck or hanging elsewhere out here in the shop. Next we have Dirty Bird Knives, and I really love that logo. Owl and Rabbit, which is an artist gallery and store here in Burlington. Really cool. Seafaring Mercantile. Really love the boat design, and he does some amazing stuff. Joy Tree Designs, silk painter, origami artist, and knitter. Handcrafted by Gonzo's Creations. Secret City Woodworks. And finally, Pirate John Sharks, for sharks and sea. Really awesome. John is an amazing artist in his own right. He is making solid steel and hand making solid steel shark's teeth on necklaces and all. Really cool. That's all of the new stickers. And now, let's get them up on the sticker swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the sticker swap sticker wall. I really love that it's starting to fill up, and I have no clue what I'm going to do once it gets completely full. I will still continue to do shout out videos even after this wall gets full. I'll try to make another wall elsewhere in the shop if I've got enough room to spare for another board, but I will always enjoy giving shout outs. As always with these type of videos, I will leave links down in the description box below to everyone's Instagram page where you can go and follow them, interact with them, ask to sticker swap with them, and network with them. It's always great to network with everybody in the community. If you guys would like to send me a message or chat with me or ask to sticker swap with me, just find me on Instagram at Artisan Pirate, and I will be happy to send you a sticker, a note of encouragement, and a business card. I know some people collect business cards as well as stickers. But that's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.